Phoenicia ship replica is by far the country's most important artifact, connecting America to the Old Testament. It weighs 40 tons and measures 66 feet in length. Its height exceeds 75 feet. There is nothing to compare with any other artifact that clearly connects the Old and New worlds. The ship replica is coming together through the efforts of tens of thousands of people who are donating their time, money, and talents. We are amazed that God has brought us together to do a work that is great and marvelous in His sight. We welcome all people of goodwill and faith who want to join us on the banks of the Mississippi River, directly across from the Nauvoo Temple. Anyone who has studied the history of the ancient world's best seafarers soon recognizes the historical fact that their ships had masts made in the design of a horse head. Such a horse head is now a central feature of the Phoenicia Ship Museum. The horse head was designed and made in the Old World, and she is now in the New World. She sailed 30,000 nautical miles on 2 oceans and 3 seas. She stands as a clear witness of what the Phoenicia ship replica means for the history of ancient America. Tens of thousands of people have followed the Phoenicia for more than 15 years. These supporters are located in both the New and Old worlds and are from large organizations. The ship is well known and has been in hundreds of media campaigns where kings and government ministers have supported her as a symbol of how the ancient people of America connected across the oceans to the people of the Bible. The Phoenicia brings the history of ancient people who sailed the seas. Today, at the highest social and governmental levels in the cradle of civilization, there are thousands of people who support the Phoenicia and what she represents for the ancients. Americans are becoming aware of what the ship represents. We invite America to study the historic facts that are now easily available from the internet. Come and see for yourself what 15 years, hundreds of receptions, thousands of reports, dozens of nations, millions of social media hits, and millions of dollars have done in support of one of ancient America's most important stories. The ship is very important for you to understand and accept.